Wahiatu, ko ingoha aku, ko konilila waie. Today we're going to look at the vowels and the Niuean alphabet. This should help you pronounce your Niuean words properly. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. One more time. A, E, I, O, U. And the rest of the Niuean alphabet. F, Ng, H, K, L, M, N, P, T, V, S. Liu Fuki. One more time. Ng, H, K, L, M, N, P, T, V, S. Mitaki lahi. Now on the next part. Now we're going to combine a letter and a vowel. For example, and A, fa, e, fe, I, fi, o, fo, u, fu, fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. It's important to remember the vowels because that's the sound of the word. Here are some examples. Don't forget the vowels. Sa, te, vo, me, na, hu. However, there's some tricky parts with the letter T. For example, T and E doesn't make T. It's actually pronounced C. My dad's gonna help me explain this.
As Cornelia mentioned before, with the letter T, things become a little bit tricky. So if you use the word T followed by E or E, it changes the sound of the T to a S sound. So for example, if you go T, E, the word is now pronounced C, not T. And then for T, E, it's now pronounced Se and not T. So if we look at the word T, to hold its sound, T, the only exceptions or the only way the T will hold is if you use the vowels A, O, or U. So A, O, or U. So for example, if you go T, A, the sound of the word will be Ta. If we go T, O, the word will be To. And if we go T, U, it will be Tu.
I hope that short lesson will help you with your Niuean words. If you get stuck, remember your vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Because that will be the sound of the word. Fakaue lahi koe kia.